Hello everyone. I want to explain a few points of the impact of this pandemic COVID-19 on retail business in Indonesia. The year 2020 has only been running for 3 months, but the economic shock has occurred so severely. The economy suddenly collapsed in an instant due to the spread of the coronavirus throughout the world. Since WHO announced that COVID-19 is a world pandemic, consumer behavior in various business sectors has changed. Consumers become very careful to consume and try to keep themselves and their families to survive in this situation. The government of Indonesia calls for people to carry out activity at home as part of mitigation effort. Of course, this decision has a big impact on entrepreneurs, especially retail business. One impact is the decline in shopping centers visitors up to 50%. Now, the consumption of the people is also only focused on the needs of basic commodity and cleaning tools. Other sectors such as clothing, electronic device, and some retail shop. Because of that, several retail businesses were affected. Turnover decreased drastically, making some retail business in Indonesia forced to close and lay off their employees. For example, number 1, KFC. Since the introduction of social distancing, KFC Indonesia's turnover has decreased by 65%. This was made worse by the close of malls in several cities, which forced KFC to also close the store inside the mall. To date, there are at least 100 KFC outlets have been forced to close and lay off 450 employees until an undetermined deadline. Number 2, last April, the employee of Ramayana City Plaza in Depok, West Java, was forced to be laid off due to a drastic decline in turnover due to coronavirus. In my opinion, the situation termination of employment is the last thing a company can do to prevent a company from going bankrupt. Because a pandemic virus that can be predicted will last for how long? The company must keep the assets and employees must also survive by finding the other jobs that are more likely at this time. Government solution to business retail and other business during the pandemic virus determination period were not feasible. Addressing health issues was the main concern. But after the expiration of the PSBB period and the government established the next period, namely new normal, the retail business sector and the country's economy slowly began to rise and run again. What can we do to help the government fight this pandemic virus? The thing we can do is to follow all the health protocol recommendations set by the government by wearing a mask when leaving the house, always washing hands with soap after doing activities outside, avoiding activities by the gathering with many people, and as much as possible stay at home if there is no important thing to leave the house. Thank you for your attention. Hopefully this pandemic virus will end soon and we can take the wisdom behind this situation. Stay safe everyone.